Hello everybody, welcome back to Serene Bookworks. Today I'm sharing a really quick flip through of this journal that I made for myself. I usually don't make things for myself, and I did finally. I'm going on a trip soon to New Orleans, and Priscilla, who has ReleaseTheCraftin, came out with this awesome digital kit that's called the Dark Parrish. And I thought, well, if that isn't just calling my name, I don't know what is. So I immediately snagged it up and used it in my book. And you will see this image, one way or the other, several times in here because I am a pretty impatient person, and when I clicked print, it didn't print right away, so I clicked it again and again and again before I realized I was out of paper. So as a result, I have several images like this, but that's okay because you can use them in so many different ways. So this is just one page of the kit, and I will link all of that down below. So as you can see, it's very plain on the front and the back because I will decorate that when I get back. But as you can see, I cut this in half, and there it is there. And there it is there. So I used it for my front and back for the backing. And then there's a few more places in here that you will see it as well. And I'll just point those out as we go. So here is another really cool page. And it really goes well with some of the other papers that I had that are kind of Halloween-y, spooky kind of thing. And I did not really do a whole lot of decorating or anything in here yet because I'm waiting for my trip. And down in New Orleans, I've done videos on this before. The cemetery tours that they have down there are quite fascinating. So, and I hope to have some good stories from when I'm down there this time. There's a great example of Priscilla's work. I love all of her layering in there. It just looks fantastic. And like I said, I just paired it with quite a bit of scrapbook paper that I already had. There's another cool page. And I believe she has these tags just separate as well that you can purchase. She's got some amazing digital kits. And there's some grave dust. There's another really great page. And I like that she puts writing spaces on her pages as well. Okay, so there is another Mr. Spooky guy here. You know, I gotta use him up, so I put him behind this pocket here. There's some fun trims that I had. There's a really neat page, although spiders, she knows. That is my one thing that just icks me out. I think this is that Recollections paper that's out this year. And there is another, I fussy cut this and put it on this pocket here. And on the back side, as you can see, I cut out the raven and glued him on the back of this page. That's a neat little page there too. Very dark and mysterious. And I like how it's, you know, sort of monotone in color, because then I feel like we could do anything with this. So as you can see, like I said, it's pretty empty for now, but I am anticipating filling it with lots of good memories and stories from my trip down to New Orleans. Spider legs. Gross. Oh, and the the bulk of it is made from a file folder that I just covered in fabric. There's another pocket. And that's just like the freakiest image ever there, Priscilla. So yeah, behind here, that's just a file folder. And her kit also comes with, and I don't have them in the book yet, but there's journaling cards. That one is freaky. So yeah, it comes with some journaling cards, and it also comes with tags. And they're all different sizes. That one's really neat. I don't have these distressed yet, so they're still, but these are printed on cardstock, as you can see. And there's also a fun, oops, there we go. There's a fun little envelope in the kit, and these little tiny tags. And then there's also these neat pockets. And for those, if you put those into your book, you can see how that would work. So I will probably end up putting those in my book at some point. I'm going to take all of this down with me on my trip so that we have lots of fun stuff to play with while we're down there. So there we go. So thank you, Priscilla, for another awesome, awesome digital kit. And I will talk to you later when I get back, and maybe we'll go through some of this together. That might be fun. All right, everybody, take care. Have a great week, and I'll see you later. Bye.